Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel of Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. Hello students. Students, you have learned about factor. Today we are going to learn about multiples. Okay, first we will see what is multiples. You all are know the table of 3. So start table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. It means 3 ones are 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. It means 3 twos are 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. It means 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. So now we see table of 3 till 3 tens are 30. So the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21 and so on are obtained by multiplying 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on respectively. Means when we multiply 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 continuously, then we get the answer 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21 and so on. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. In this sequence, if we multiply, then we get the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Okay, so what we call them? We call them multiples of 3. Similarly, multiples of 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are, 4 sixes are and so on. When multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, so we get number in sequence. We call them multiples of 4. We get numbers, these are the multiples of 4. Similarly, we can find multiple of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. So these are multiples of 5. Means we get here table of 5. Similarly, multiple of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24 and 36. So if we multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here so on means we can multiply a given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 100, 200. Okay, so we multiply a number dash dash means here dot dot means we can continuously multiply number. It has no end. We can multiply continuously. So if we multiply a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, we get the multiple of a number. In this way, when we multiply a given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get its multiple. Okay, we will learn some important facts about multiples. Look here student, we will learn some important notes about multiples. So see first fact. Every number is a multiple of itself. Means see example, 8 is a multiple of 8. Means when we multiply 1 by 8, we get product 8. Means what we say that 8 is a multiple of 8. It means every number is a multiple of itself. Second point, every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 5 is multiple of 1. Means when we multiply 5 by 1, we get product 5. So what we say that every number is a multiple of 1 and every number is multiple of itself. Okay. Third point, see, the first and smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. Look here student, the first and the smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. For example, you have learned the first multiple of 7 is 7. When we multiply 1 by 7, we get product 7. Also, we have learned the multiple of 4, multiple of 5. If you see, the smallest multiple is 4 multiple smallest 4, 5 multiple smallest 5, and 6 multiple smallest 6. Means the first and smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. Okay. Now, see here, fourth facts. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. See here, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. For example, multiple of 11 are 11, 22, 33 and 44. Also, we have learned here. Look here example. Multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Means if you observe, every multiple of number is greater than or equal to the number. Means here 4 is equal to 4, 8 is greater than 4. So what we say that every multiple of number is greater than or equal to the number. Next, fifth point, multiples of a number are infinite, means unlimited. Multiple of a number are infinite, that is unlimited. Means when we multiply 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So on means what I told, it will be continuous, it has no end. So multiple of numbers are also infinite, unlimited. Dot 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 means what I said, it has no end, it is continuously we get sequence of that multiple of 2, it has no end. Next point, 6. Multiples of 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the even number. Okay. So multiples of a 2 are called even numbers. We get multiple of 2 that all are even numbers. And which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Means remaining 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and dash dash means so on. So these are the odd numbers, means these are not multiples of 2. Understood students? These are the some important facts about multiples, some important notes which we have learned. So you have to observe, read and understand it. Facts about multiples. Okay students? Look here. We have learned facts about multiples. By using these facts, we have to solve examples which is given in exercise 4. Okay students? Now we will solve exercise 4. So see student, exercise 4. Now we will solve first example. First example. First question, see, find the first 5 multiple of 4. To get 5 multiple of 4, we have to multiply 4 by 1. We get product 4. Second, we multiply 4 by 2. We get product 8. Then we multiply 4 by 3. We get 12. Then 4 multiplied by 4. We get 16. And then we multiply 4 by 5. We get 20. First 5 multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. And how to get it? By multiplying 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So understood? First 5 multiple of 4. Now see second example. We have to find first 5 multiple of 7. So first we multiply 7 by 1. We get 7. Then we multiply 7 by 2, we get 14. Then we multiply 7 by 3, we get 21. And then we multiply 7 by 4, we get 28. Finally, we multiply 7 by 5, we get 35. So here we get first 5 multiple of 7 by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we get multiple of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Look here student, to get multiple of 7, we multiply 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and we get multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Next example, to find the first 5 multiples of 10. So 10 multiplied by 1, you get 10. Then 10 multiplied by 2, you get 20. Then 10 multiplied by 3, you get 30. Then 10 multiplied by 4, you get 40. Then 10 multiplied by 5, you get 50. In this way, by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get multiple of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Next example, 12. So multiply 12 by 1, you get 12. 12 multiplied by 2, you get 24. 12 multiplied by 3, you get 36. 12 multiplied by 4, you get 48. 12 multiplied by 5, you get 60. In this way, by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Okay, now we will see next example. Next example, 15. So multiply 15 by 1 to get 15. Then 15 multiplied by 2 get 30. Then 15 multiplied by 3 we get 45. Then 15 multiplied by 4 we get 60. Then 15 multiplied by 5 we get 75. In this way, multiplying 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. These are the multiples of 15. Next example is 18. Multiply 18 by 1 to get 18. Then 18 multiplied by 2, we get 36. Then 18 multiplied by 3, we get 54. Then 18 multiplied by 4, we get 72. Then 18 multiplied by 5, we get 90. In this way, multiplying 18 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. So 18, 36, 54, 72 and 19 are first 5 multiples of 18. Next example is 20. 20 multiplied by 1, we get 20. 20 multiplied by 2, get 40. 20 multiplied by 3, we get 60. 20 multiplied by 4, we get 80. 20 multiplied by 5, we get 100. So here, by multiplying 20 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So 20, 40, 60 and 80 and 100 are the first 5 multiples of 20. Okay. Next example, 23. 23 multiplied by 1, we get 23. 23 multiplied by 2, we get 46. 23 multiplied by 3, we get 69. 23 multiplied by 4, we get 92. 23 multiplied by 5, we get 115. So here we multiply 23 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We get 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115. So 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115 are the multiples of 23. Next example, 26. So multiply 26 by 1, we get 26. 26 multiplied by 2, we get 52. 26 multiplied by 3, we get 78. 26 multiplied by 4, we get 104. 26 multiplied by 5, we get 130. So by multiplying 26 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 26, 52, 78, 104 and 130. These are the first 5 multiples of 26. Next example, 29. So multiply 29 by 1, we get 29. 29 multiplied by 2, we get 58. 29 multiplied by 3, we get 87. 29 multiplied by 4, we get 116. 29 multiplied by 5, we get 145. So multiplying 29 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 29, 58, 87, 116 and 145. So 29, 58, 87, 116 and 145 are the first 5 multiples of 29. Next example 33. So 33 multiplied by 1, we get 33. 33 multiplied by 2, we get 66. 33 multiplied by 3, we get 99. 33 multiplied by 4, we get 132. 33 multiplied by 5, we get 165. So by multiplying 33 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 33, 66, 99, 132 and 165. So 33, 66, 99, 132 and 165 are the first 5 multiples of 33. Okay. Next example is 35. Multiply 35 by 1, we get 35. Then multiply 35 by 2, we get 60. Multiply 35 by 3, we get 105. Multiply 35 by 4, we get 140. Multiply 35 by 5, we get 175. In this way, by multiplying 35 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we get 35, 70, 105, 140 and 175. So 35, 70, 105, 140 and 175 are the first 5 multiples of 35. Okay student. So here we are find first 5 multiples by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and find first 5 multiples of given number. Second question is CA. Is 28 a multiple of 5? So here given a particular number 28 and we have to find out is 28 a multiple of 5? It means we have to check whether 28 is there in table of 5 or not. So first we have seen to find multiple of given number, we multiply given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and we get table of 5. So if given number is there in table of 5 or given number is exactly divisible by 5. Suppose we have taken number 25. 25 is fifth multiple of 5. See, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Means we divide 25 by 5, we get remainder 0. So here we divide 28 by 5. We get quotient 5 and remainder 3. Means if remainder we get 0, then we say that given number is multiple of that number. But here remainder is 3. So here what we say that? Here see 5 we divide 28 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 8 minus 5 3 and 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so here we divide 28 by 5. We get quotient 5 and remainder 3. Okay, so here remainder is not 0. If remainder is 0, then we say that given number is multiple of that number. So what we say that here remainder is 3. So we say that 5 is not divide 28 exactly. Okay, Thus, 28 is not a multiple of 5. Also, if we see table, then we will understand 28 is not in table of 5. Thus, we say that 28 is not multiple of 5. Okay, next question. Is 64 a multiple of 8? So we check for number 64 by dividing 64 by 8. We have to check, is there 64 number in table of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56 and 8 eights are 64. Yes, so 8 eights are 64. How many times? 8 times. Means 8 multiplied 8 times we get 64. So here 64 is exactly divisible by 8. 8 eights are 64. 64 minus 64 we get remainder 0. So here 64 is there in table of 8. Now it is a smaller number, so we can check, but greater number we cannot check. So which method we can follow? This method, division method, to check given number is multiple or not. So here we get remainder is 0. So 8 divides 64 exactly. Thus 64 is multiple of 8. Next question, is 182 a multiple of 7? Students, we can learn table of 7 till 7 tens are 70. But here 182 is a 3-digit number. So it is not possible to write table of 7 till that number get. It is so irritated. So we use here division method. First we divide 18 by 7. So here 7 twos are 14. We divide 18 by 7. It gives us quotient 2 and remainder 4. Next number 2 brings down. So see table of 7. 7 6 are 42. So 42 divided by 7, it gives us quotient 6 and remainder 0. Okay. So look here student. We divide 42 by 7. 7 6 are 42. Gives us quotient 6 and remainder 0. So 7 is divide 182 exactly. Means 182 is exactly divisible by 7. Thus 182 is a multiple of 7. Now next question. Encircle the multiples of 9. Now which are the multiples of 9? So we have to see table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Okay, now we check which multiples are here. So look here, 9 twos are 18. So we circle 18. 9 threes are 27. So we encircle 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. Okay. So these are the multiples of 9 which we encircle. 18, 27, 36, 54 and 63. Okay student. So we encircle multiples of 9. Okay. So in this way we solve exercise 4. Okay. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.